So friends, let's see today's simple and easy Goan Tendli bhaji. Now here I've taken 150 grams of tendli or tondli, washed it really well because it has a little bit of those strings, black strings and mud attached. So soak it in some water to which salt has been added for 10 minutes. Wash it thoroughly, rinse it, pat it dry. Now I'm just going to cut off the ends. Now if your tendli is yellow, red or pink, just discard it. It has to be nice and white and really looking fresh and taut, not soft. Now cut each tendli into half like this, and then you're going to cut it into very thin strips like this. So this is how the traditional Goan recipe is made. I do have a Maharashtrian way of preparing tondli also, which is in round circles with Goda masala. I'll leave a link for that below. So I'm showing you a closer look. So just cut it into half like this and then very thinly slice it into 3 or 4 slices like this. The thinner the better, because then they cook really well. So this is all of it done. Now I'm just going to cut an onion and 1 green chili. 1 small onion and 1 green chili. So I've just cut off the edges of the green chili and I'm just going to slit it in the center like this. And then just cut it into halves. And as for the onion, I've just washed it well. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to peel it, cut off the edges. After peeling it, I wash it one more time under water, and then I like to take off that yellow center, and then I'm just going to cut the onion into thin slices like this. So this bhaji has very few ingredients, gets ready really quickly, and it's a very light and refreshing recipe, not too much of masalas in it. So now I'm going to heat just half a teaspoon of oil. Most of the Goan vegetable recipes require very little oil. Now spread the oil evenly all over your pan. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add the chilies, which we have slit and cut. Fry the chilies well till they get this little bit of a whitish tinge on the peel of the chili. Now this bhaji is a great accompaniment to some sorak, rice, pickle, some fish fry or some prawn chili fry. All those recipes are there on my channel. To find them, just type the recipe and type Akshrita's recipes. Now I'm going to add the onion that we've cut. Fry the onion till it's a little translucent or transparent. Now you're going to add your tendli, which you've sliced thinly. Now this amount of vegetable is enough for 2 people. Now mix everything really well with the bagar. And you're going to fry the tendli in this oil for 2 to 3 minutes. That way it will cook also very fast. Now how many of you like this tendli bhaji or eat tendli on a regular basis? Do comment in the comment section below. Now once this is done, we're just going to flavor it with some salt to taste, roughly about half a teaspoon. Always add less salt first and then add more salt if required. Mix everything well. And once you have sauteed everything really nicely, you're just going to add about 4 tablespoons of water, because now we want to cook this tendli. So just mix up everything nicely. And then you're just going to cover and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, you'll stir it one more time before checking on the tendli whether it's cooked. All you have to do is just press it down with your spatula, with a spoon or a knife, and it cuts very easily. That means your tendli is cooked. Right now it is not cooked completely, so we have to cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. So again we'll cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes till the tendli is nice and cooked and soft. So just spread everything out evenly. And now after 2 to 3 minutes, our tendli is cooked. Again, you can check by just, it easily cuts with the spatula. And now you're just going to garnish this with some lovely freshly grated coconut. Without a freshly grated coconut, I don't think any Goan vegetable recipe is complete. Of course, for those of you who don't eat coconut, you can skip this. But this lovely grated coconut adds a lovely flavor to this recipe. So turn off the heat and just mix everything nicely together. And your lovely Goan Tendli bhaji is all ready to enjoy. So I hope you like this recipe and I hope you try it out. I'll catch you soon in my next video.
As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.